G'day investors, welcome to the 26th of May 2015. The trade for today is called Anglo America and the code is AGL. Last traded price was R197.99. The action on this trade is to do a buy or long. Entry level will be 196.16 and the target will be 207.92. Stop loss to be used on this trade is 192.24. So the expectation is to go to the green line, but use the red line as a stop loss level. Looking at the current open trades, you can see ITU, Sanlam, Bidvest, Shoprite, Remgro. These are all open trades in this moment. Closed trades is Sanlam. That trade was closed on the 25th of May, and Woolies were also closed on the 25th of May. Now, very important, look at the top 40 index of the JSE. Very volatile, moving to the side here, and it's trading between the 10-day and the 20-day moving average. The 10-day is the red line and the gray line is the 20-day moving average. So that blue line is showing a lot of uncertainty and direction at this moment. Keep a close eye on this market. Looking at the Dow Jones, very interesting sideways pattern. There's a ABC pattern here, low, high, low, higher, low. Now, at any time, if it breaks the support level here and it comes down here, there could be a change of momentum coming down. Or will this be the bottom now of the support and start to break up on the high? Keep a level on this high on this level of 18312. At any time, if it breaks it, this momentum will start rising up. Looking at the J200, now the J200 currently at this moment went to that tops now starting to trade in this momentum here. Now what I'm going to do here, just to make it clear for you, you're going to see basically on the top 40 shares of the JSE, you're going to see this volatility trading here to the side, and unfortunately it happens sometimes in the market, and that is when direction is physically due. So look at this, there's the lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs. So at any time, high broken more upside, low broken more downside. Currently, the futures are showing a bit of a positiveness, but the US markets are a bit negative for the first opening for the week, and the Europeans are also showing a bit of a negative movement at this moment. Now, looking at some shares on the market, Shoprite. I wanted to show you this green line on the top and the green line at the bottom. It shows me direction is totally coming to a small cycle. Here's a huge cycle, a smaller cycle. Now, the big question is, can you start breaking up or down? So what I did is, just to make sure for the breakups to happen, it needs to break this 170 to go higher, or it needs to break this 160 to go lower. So keep a close eye on this specific trade as well. Looking at Mr. Price, Mr. Price is currently also trading totally sideways with the top 40 shares at this moment, and you can see it for the last few days what is happening here. Looking at Woolies, Woolies is breaking new record highs at this moment, and it's still in a positive channel up. Calling up your Bollinger Band, still trading between the red and the green in a positive channel. So let's keep a close eye on this share as well. Looking at Barclays Bank, here's the top, there's the bottom. Currently testing that high there. Was about 188. So basically, shares trading at 182.76. At any time, if it breaks these lows, you have 181. More downside under to the 180 rand levels could be due on this specific share. Looking at Standard Bank, also in a negative channel on this highs here, on this lows. Currently testing, it needs to break this high, and that high is about 172 if this share needs to go physically higher, 170, 150, 172 if it needs to change. Looking at Investec, after it had a beautiful upward run, you can actually see on this share trading between the green and the red in a positive channel, trading here at 120 levels. Last time you were trading 110, but this is a beautiful upward movement. But let's see what the stage of this share could lose a bit of momentum here. Looking at your MTNs, now MTN is still trading in this downward channel at this moment. Current support is 224. Need to see if the current low could be lower here to the 220 levels, and you will basically see the Bollinger Bands are testing this bottom here at this moment. Looking at Vodacom, Vodacom also lost a lot of momentum and starting to get support here at 135. You can physically see it here. Looking at your Bollinger Bands, here at the top, bottom still, but let's see if these shares can start moving up or start getting into a bargain hunting. Looking at Telkom. Now, Telkom needs to break the 75 rand if it needs to go higher. Current support here is about 71.69. So it can go either way down or either way up. So looking at your Bollinger Bands, still trading here, and there's the green line confirming with the red line there. So keep a close eye on the specific trade in the short term. Looking at Exxaro, getting a lot of support here under the 87 rand 41s, but this share could be value in the late in the future here from 86 levels back to the 94 levels. Looking at CFR, now CFR did lose a bit of momentum on 23 cents yesterday on the sub 110 levels. So I've drawn up here a bit of a support level. Look at the Bollinger Bands. It says if it breaks this 106.78, next low expectations here back to the 105. So let's go put close on that one as well. So a lot of things happening in the market. Some shares high, some shares low, and let's take it from there. Enjoy trading, traders.